Good morning, children. Hope you are safe at home. Today, let us do lesson number 19 from the English grammar book, which is called Parts of a Sentence. Let us look at the following sentences. The first sentence, the girl rides a bicycle. And the second sentence, the moon shines by night. Let's look at the first sentence. Can you see? It is written in two different colors. The first part in red is the girl and the second part in green is rides a bicycle. The girl is the naming part of the sentence and rides a bicycle is the telling part of the sentence. In the same way, for the second example, the moon, which is in red, the moon is the naming part of the sentence, and shines by night, which is in green, this is the telling part of the sentence. So sentences have two parts, the naming part and the telling part. Now let's see what are these two parts. All sentences are made up of two parts, a naming part and a telling part. The telling part starts with the verb. Verb means the action that is happening. The part before the telling part is called the naming part. The naming part tells who or what the sentence is about. So it talks about what or whom the sentence is telling us something about. The telling part tells us something about the person, animal or thing in the naming part. So here, this first sentence is telling you about the girl. So the girl becomes the naming part. And what about the girl? After the verb, that she rides a bicycle. So that becomes your telling part. Now let's try dividing the sentences into two parts, naming and telling part. They went home. What is the sentence about? Whom are they talking about? They. So they becomes the naming part. Went home becomes the telling part. The ant is tiny. So this sentence is about the ant, which will become the naming part. Is tiny will become the telling part. Leopards run fast. Leopards will be the naming part. Run fast will be the telling part. Chemists sell medicines. So here they are telling you about chemists. So chemists becomes the naming part. And what do the chemists do? Sell medicines. That will be the telling part. The hen laid an egg. The hen will be the naming part. Laid an egg will be the telling part. The boy runs after the ball. The boy is the naming part. Runs after the ball is the telling part. The monkey eats bananas. The monkey is the naming part. Eats bananas is the telling part. Ravi visited his friend. Ravi will be the naming part. Visited his friend becomes the telling part. Now here you have to match the sentences, match the naming part to the telling part and make proper sentences. You can look at the picture shown to you. The first one, the boy. What will it match to? Look at the picture. The boy will match to eats breakfast. So what will be the full sentence? The boy eats breakfast. Second one, the postman. Match it to delivers letters. So my sentence becomes the postman delivers letters. Third one, the carpenter, match it to makes furniture. The carpenter makes furniture. The dog over here, match it to sits at the gate. The dog sits at the gate. The potter, look over here. What is he doing? Makes pots. The potter makes pots. The cobbler. What is the cobbler doing? Mends shoes. So match the cobbler mends shoes. The policeman. What does he do? Catches thieves. The plumber. What does the plumber do? The plumber repairs taps. So match that. Then the goldsmith. What does he do? The goldsmith makes jewelry. And the last one, the vegetable seller. He sells vegetables. So match it, and my new sentence will be the vegetable seller sells vegetables. So in this way, children, we have matched the naming part to the telling part. That was all in today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.